Hey guys, welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a shadow to an image in Canva. Let's begin. Initially, let's create an empty design. Be sure to upload any photo with the background removed. As I've already uploaded an image, I am going to use that one. Resize the image as you wish. Then click on the image again, and on the top left you will see something called as Edit Photo. Click on it and scroll down. If you don't find the shadows option here, it might be because you're using the new photo editor. To use the old one, you should simply click around here and revert to the old editor. Again, click on the image and click on Edit Image and scroll down, and you will find something called as Shadows. Click on See All, then just choose any one of these options and you can see the difference. You can see here a shadow is being added to the subject. Once you're satisfied with it, just click on Apply. Well guys, that's how you add a shadow to an image using Canva. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.